Hey everyone, welcome back to another SAT math video. This is a question from the official 2024 practice test 5 math module 2 linked in the description below. The length of each edge of a box is 29 inches. Each side of the box is in the shape of a square. The box does not have a lid. What is the exterior surface area in square inches of this box without a lid? Right? So this question is a geometry question. That is the fundamental concept underneath this question. And specifically, we need to know how to find the surface area of a cube, right? Because basically they're telling us that this box has uh, shapes or sides in the shape of a square. That basically tells us that the box is a cube without a lid, meaning it is missing the top side, right? So let us try and draw this out, because whenever you have a geometry question, it is always really nice to try and draw it out first. Helps you out, you know? So what I'm going to do is draw out our box. We have some square, right? We can imagine this is like the front side, and then we have it going that way, and then it comes down, right? Just a nice little box going to, but the reason I'm drawing it out is because we need to remember that it does not have a top, right? There's no lid. There's only 5 squares, right? Or 5 sides to this box, the 4 sides, the 4 walls in the bottom part of the box, and they're all 29 inches, right? So basically, we need to figure out the surface area, right? So the surface area of any shape is nothing more than the area of all the sides combined, right? So we have 5 squares, right? So we have 5 times the area of one of these sides, which would just be nothing more than 29 squared, right? And it is in square inches, right? So 29 inches squared. Okay, so let us try and figure that out. Let's first do 29 times 29. You can use your calculator. I don't like using a calculator. I like to do it everything by hand. So I'm going to just do it by hand right now. So 29 by 29, 9 times 9 is 81. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 8. That is going to be 26. 261. And oh, we don't need to do that. Now we put the 0 here. 2 times 9 is 18. Carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is going to be 5. So then we get 1, 6 plus 8, 14. And then 3 plus 5, that's 841. Okay, that is our value that goes over here. We have basically 5 times 841 inches squared, right? And now we just got to multiply this by 5. So 5 times 1 is going to be 5. 5 times 4 is going to be 20. We carry the 2 over the 8. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2 is going to be 42. So there is our answer, 42 inches squared. And you probably could have done all of that in your calculator, right? But I just, again, like to do stuff by hand just to prove to you that it is not always faster, and maybe it can be faster to do it by hand. In this case, probably it was faster to do it just in the calculator, but regardless, this is your answer, 4,205 inches squared. So there you have it. That's all you had to do for this question. The main thing was to remember that this was a geometry question. Specifically, they were asking for the surface area of a cube, and you just had to make sure that you didn't accidentally also calculate the surface area including a lid, because remember it says this is a box without a lid, right? So we only calculated the area of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides, and calculating the area then is easy because you just have to calculate the area of all 5 squares that make up the sides and the bottom of the box, and then simplify that answer. So that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below if there is anything I can do to make these videos clearer or more useful for you, check out Khan Academy. Is linked in the description below, as well as some other links that you might find useful. And of course, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.